Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the model and firmware version, so you update the correct package. Use Settings Device Preferences about to confirm details. Once done, switch to a reliable network. Wired Ethernet is preferred because it avoids interruptions. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and the TV will remain powered. Updates fail if power cuts out. You should also export or note your key settings and network credentials, because restoring preferences is quicker than reconfiguring from scratch. Next, run the TV's built-in updater. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, About, and System Software Update. Choose Check for Update. If an update appears, select Download and Install and let the TV fetch the package. You will see a progress percent. The TV may reboot several times. That is normal. If the download stalls, cancel and retry after switching to Ethernet or resetting the router. Always let the process complete. Interrupting an install risks software corruption and a failed boot. If the network path fails, use the USB fallback method with the official Sony firmware file. Prepare a FAT32 USB drive, copy the firmware to the drive root, then insert into the TV. Follow on-screen prompts to load the update from USB. Once complete, the TV will reboot and finalize installation. If the set won't boot or the update repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset after saving settings, and only then contact Sony support. Do not attempt hardware fixes that void warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.